Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate the salesperson wise client list in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the master module. Here, we have to select the organization menu under the master module. After clicking that, the organization list page will be displayed on the screen. Here, we have to click on the salesperson column. Then we have to select the required salesperson name. Now, the details will be reflected on based on the selected salesperson. If you want to download this report, just select the options menu. Then we have to click the download button to download this report. This is how to generate the salesperson wise client list in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.